Once again, I welcome you all to this very special 151st session of Leadership Talks. As you know that these sessions are being organized by India International Education Council and School Lalaji Solutions. India International Education Council is a not-for-profit organization which is working in the field of education. It has collaborators from 12 countries. It aims to create a better world through education, building quality centers for elementary education is another goal of IAEC. Finding best educational practices across the globe and find ways to implement those in Indian institutions is another goal of IAEC. Creating more awareness on hygiene and learning disabilities. It publishes a magazine called World Education Review and many other educational reports. It aims to build 100 chapters in different cities by 2022. It will soon open its membership for institutions and individuals. It also imparts training for leaders, teachers, students, and parents. As you know that so far we have conducted 150 sessions. We have received 18,860 registrations. $17,741 questions. We have received participation from 7 countries. I hope my screen is visible to all. Right, so we have received participation from 7 countries: India, USA, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Kuwait, and Russia. From India, we have seen participation from 23 states and 126 cities. We aim to organize minimum 200 sessions. With this, we would be reaching out to 100,000 educators, 20,000 institutions, and 1,000 plus eminent speakers. Like today's speakers would be joining us to share their perspective and comments on national education policy. With this, I would request you all, please join me in welcoming our key speakers for this very special session. Our first key speaker, a very senior education leader, Dr. Indu Sharma ji. Indu ma'am is principal with DAV Police Public School, Hisar, Haryana. She has 25 years of experience. She has done BSc, B.Ed, MA, Psychology, PhD, and MPhil. She has published many articles in various prestigious national newspapers like Tribune, Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran. She has attended several workshops and capacity development workshops. She is also the member with Bharat Vikas Parishad and Sahodaya School Complex. She has received many prestigious awards like Women Empowerment Award, Award of Appreciation from SP Hisar. She has also received a prestigious award from MHRD, Vishesh Samman from Bharat Vikas Parishad, Award of Appreciation from Dainik Bhaskar, Lions Club, and Rotary Club. We welcome you, Indu ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next speaker, another senior education leader of Vedya. Welcome, ma'am. I'll come back to you. Our next speaker, another senior education leader, Vedya Sanjot Arvindji. Vedya ma'am is director with Strawberry School, Sangamner, Maharashtra. She is also the president with the Sri Venkatesh Educational Society, Sangamner. She's also the trustee with various educational institutions like Strawberry English Medium School, Sangamner, Strawberry English Medium School, Pune, Strawberry English Medium School, Sinar, Nasik. She's also the director with the Webcure Career Academy. She has received a district award, for Miss Ahmednagar District Beauty Contest. She received the first prize there by the hands of Honorable Rima Lagoji, a film star. She has received Best Lioness Chairperson of the Multiple Award by the hands of Honorable Shatrughan Sinha. Vikas Ratna Puruskar by the hands of Honorable Pandit Jasraj ji at Thane. International President Certificate by the hands of International President Honorable Loin Ashok Mehta ji at Mahabaleshwar. Women Achiever Award by Inner Wheel Club, Pune, Defali. We welcome you, Sanjot ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next key speaker, another senior education leader, Shraddha Sharma ji. Shraddha ji is principal with Florets International School, Panki, Kanpur. She's a senior education leader with decades of experience in education. She has done MSc Mathematics and taught Mathematics and Computer Science. She has also worked as PGP Mathematics and Informatics practices at Sir Padmavat Singhania Education Center, Kanpur, for more than 10 years. She has successfully completed the program Intel Keys to the Future, conducted by the Intel, and became Intel Certified Master Trainer, and also trained 20 teachers for 13 days. She has been awarded and recognized for her contribution to the field of education many times. We welcome you, Shweta ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. And our last key speaker for this very special session, Dr. Deepika Yadav ji. Dr. Deepika Yadav ji is Associate Professor with SRM University. She has been awarded a doctorate degree on the topic of optimal operation and scheduling of hydropower plant by NIT Hamirpur. She has presented her work at national and international levels. She has reviewed various papers for international journals, such as Elsewhere Journal of Renewable and Sustainable Energy Report, Census. Life member with ISTE, with more than 3.5 years experience in various institutions. He was earlier was working with Adam in Science and Technology Institute, Ethiopia, in electric and department. Her research area is soft computing techniques, application in power system, and renewable energy. We welcome you, Deepika ma'am. It's an honor to have you. With this, we come to the next part of the session, which is the opening remark part. So I would request all our key speakers one by one for their opening remark. Meanwhile, we have been joined by Sunita Rawat ma'am from Anurag Public School, Dehradun. Welcome, Sunita ma'am. Thank you for joining. And now with this, I would invite our first key speaker, Dr. Indu Sharma ma'am. Ma'am, if we can have your quick 1 minute opening remark. Indu ma'am.
Hi, good morning all. Yes. I'm Dr. Indu Sharma from DAV Police Public School, Hisar. I extend my warm welcome to everybody here.
Welcome, ma'am.
Should I start my talk?
Ma'am, you can share your opening remark. So, if you want to share some more point for next 30 seconds, I'll be coming back to you for your detailed perspective. I would come back to you in the later stage.
See, this is the workshop on NEP, and I would like to, of course, say a lot about NEP, National Education Policy, which is our